Good afternoon to all my dear 8th class students. Today, let us talk about the tattered blanket. So, here we can see that this tattered blanket, the story, the location of this is taken in a village. And the characters in this story are Gopi, Amma, and Kamala. These are the three characters that are in this tattered blanket story. So, here we can see that how Amma is facing the problems here. First of all, she can't recognize anybody. So, being old, she can't recognize anybody, and she has two children. So, one is Kamala and one is Gopi. She became old. So, because of her age, she became very old. Daughter name is Kamala, whereas the son name is Gopi. So her husband died. So as her husband died, she is a widow. So let's move for the next slide. Here we can see about Gopi. What is Gopi and what is he? We can know here. First of all, he is a very selfish fellow. So very selfish means he doesn't take care of his parent. And second thing is his wife name is Vimala. So she is a daughter of the collector Nambiar. He is working in Delhi. Who is working in Delhi? Mr. Gopi is working in Delhi. He has forgot all the services of his family members. So, since childhood, mother, sister, father, they have done a lot of service. He forgot everything. And he has 4 children. Next, we also can see that he is not taking care of his Amma because of his busy schedule, and as he is settled in his office in Delhi, he became very busy. And his sister is Kamala. Mr. Gopi has one sister, and she is Kamala. Now let's move to the next slide. Here we can see about Kamala. What is Kamala and what is about her? She loves Amma and Gopi. So Kamala loves both Amma and Gopi. And she teaches a lesson to her brother Gopi. How? By telling everything about the behavior of Gopi. She is a widow. Means as the husband of Kamala is died, she became a widow. She stays along with Amma. Always Kamala stays with Amma only. She takes care of Amma because nobody is there to look after that Amma. She is taking care of, and she is the eldest daughter to her mother. And this is about the Kamala. And next we are going to talk about Vimala. Who is Vimala? Vimala is the wife of Gopi. Here if we see about her, she is the daughter of Nambiar. Who is Nambiar? Nambiar is the collector. So collector Nambiar's daughter. And she is the wife of Gopi. Who is Vimala? Vimala is the wife of Gopi. And she stays in Delhi. Where does she stay? She stays in Delhi. And she doesn't take care of her aunt in her old age. It is responsible to take care of that aunt, but she doesn't take care of her. She has 4 children. So Vimala has 4 children. This is about Vimala. So here we can see it is not the blanket. So if you ask a question, so it is the broken human relationship. The relationship nowadays is broken. Once the families were very united, but now we can see here 2 pictures. one is big family and one is small family. So here the blanket is torn. No, it's not torn. It's not the blanket which is torn, but it is the broken human relations. We can see that Gopi with his family enjoying. You can see Gopi is enjoying with his family, whereas his mother and sister is in a miserable condition. So mother and sister are in miserable condition, whereas Gopi is leading a very, very happy life, enjoying with his family. So here, if we talk about the main parts of the lesson, once upon a time in a village, mother had two children named Gopi and Kamala. Kamala is the eldest daughter. Gopi was well educated by his mother and he got job in Delhi. After that, he got married to a district collector, Nambiar's eldest daughter, and her name is Vimala. He had 4 children. Gopi never cared his mother. And his sister is a widow and she stays with her Amma. Unexpectedly, one day, Gopi came to the village in his office car. Amma and sister were sitting on the veranda. They saw somebody at gate. Kamala went near the gate and noticed that Gopi had come. She asked him why you had come to Thiruvananthapuram. Gopi said that there was a meeting here, so on his way he just came there. Amma asked from veranda who was that. Kamala said that it was Gopi. Gopi went near the Amma and bent down his head and went near the Amma's face and said, "It's me, Gopi." Amma asked to Kamala whether his school had closed for vacation. Kamala explains to Gopi that she doesn't recognize anybody. She said that sometimes her memory is quite sharp. Amma asks if Gopi has sent any letter. Kamala explains to Gopi that he often explains to mother that everything is fine with Gopi, Vimala and kids. Gopi says that he got a promotion last year. After that he was always on the toes. He don't have time to write letters. Again Amma asks, there is somebody in the car, who is that? Amma asked to Gopi that where your Amma will live, is it near or far? Gopi's sister was in depressed mood and asked him how to bring back her memory. Amma asked to tell her son Gopi to send her a blanket, particularly a red blanket. There is cold mist. The old which Gopi gave was torn. Amma asked to inform the same to her son compulsorily. Amma went to sleep on the bed as she is sitting a long time in veranda. Gopi informs his sister that he wanted to sell the share of his property and take away the money. Kamala says that he came only for share of his property, but not for his mother or sister. Gopi says that I would come and take care of Kamala and Amma. Kamala did not believe him. She told that he came there after 5 years. There is no scope of Gopi coming again to his village after selling his share of the property. So the moral of the lesson is, don't neglect the old people. Care them because they are cared for you. This is the lesson. Thank you very much, children. Wish you all the best.